Hey guys, Jeff Jacoby here at AVS with my man Ramal Curry. Going to be hooking up his 2016 Jeep Wrangler Sport, doing some Fab Fours gear on here. Going to be doing some real aggressive parts, some body armor, getting some wheels on it, some lights, so you're going to love it. But check it out, we're going to do a before shot. We're going to show you some during too, so stay tuned.